Hi dear students, hope everything is going good in mathematics. You are all writing very properly. So we have started exercise 3.3 and finished up to question number 4. Now let us start question number 5. Measures of two adjacent angles of parallelogram are in ratio 3:2. We have to find out all the angles. So for example, I have drawn a parallelogram in which I have shown two different angles. These two angles must be adjacent, right? So they are adjacent, and we have a property related to adjacent angles. Remember that property, that these two, if added, will become 180 degree. But here angles are not given, right? They are only the ratio is given. So first of all, let us assume whenever there will be a question of ratio, we will have to assume. So we will start with, let the adjacent angles be, if it is 3:2, we will assume 3x and 2x. Clear? So we have got our angles, assumed angles 3x and 2x. Now let us add the property. Now by property, adjacent angles are supplementary. Adjacent angles are supplementary. So if we add 3x and 2x, we get 180. Clear? So what if we add 3x and 2x? How much it will be? It will be 5x. So 5x equals to 180. Now we have to find out x. So where we will take this 5? This 5 will be taken downside. So x equals to 180 divided by 5. And what is 180 divided by 5? You can do oral calculation. 5 3s are 15, balance 3, then 5 6 are 30. So x will be 36. So till now we haven't got the main answer because we have to find out all the angles. Clear? This one as well, this one as well, and 3x and 2x as well. Right now we have got only x. So let us find out what is 3x, that is 3 into x, that is 3 into 36. So what is 3 into 36? It is 108. So actually this angle is 108. So let us find out what is 2x. So what is the second angle? It is 2 into x, which is 2 into 36, which is 72 degree. So this is 72. Now still they have asked all angles. So first angle we have got, second angle we have got. Now what about the third and fourth angle? Okay. So in third and fourth angle, we will apply another property, that is opposite angles are same. So we will write third angle as, let me write it in complete manner, third angle and fourth angle. So if we go by this 10872, this one, so third angle will be 108. So fourth angle will be 72. Which property? Opposite angles are equal. So this is how you will solve the question if ratio is given. So we have got our answer 108, 72, 108 and 72. Moving on to the next question. Now here we have another question, question number 6. Two adjacent angles of a parallelogram have equal measures. Remember this point, equal measures. Find the measure of each angle. So all four angles have to be found. So we will start with the property of adjacent angles. But let us assume that what is the measure of one of the adjacent angles. So let one of the adjacent angle be x degree. Clear? So as they are having equal measures, other angle will also be x degree. Clear? And if we use a property that if adjacent angles are supplementary, but adjacent angles are supplementary, so we have to add both. X plus x gives 180, so x plus x is 2x is 180. So what is x? It is 180 divided by 2, that means it is 90 degree, right? So both the angles are 90 degree, and we know that if we have found two angles, the opposite of those two angles will also be the same. Opposite angles will also be 90 degree. So all four angles of this parallelogram have measure 90 degree. Clear? Moving on to question number 7, it is given that HOPE HOPE is a parallelogram. Find x, y, z using properties. So it is quite a confusing figure. You can see various variables and two values are given, that is 70 and 40. Pause the video, draw the figure very carefully, and then only continue. Now let us start with the easiest part first. So before we start, we must find this angle by using linear pair. Why we are finding this? Because if we get this angle, we may easily get angle x, as they are opposite. Clear? So let us start with finding angle O, suppose. Okay, so measure of angle O plus 70 is 180. How? It is linear pair. So what is measure of angle O? It will be 180 minus 70, and that is 110. So this we got 110. Now the answer will be little bit easy, as x is the opposite angle of 110. So we will write x equals to 110 opposite. I'm writing the property opposite angle of parallelogram are equal. Clear? So we got the first answer, that is 110. Clear? Now focus on these two. First of all, what is the relation? They both angles, these two angles are supplementary. Clear? They are adjacent angles. So you write x and 40 plus z are adjacent angles. Clear? So what if we add them? X plus 40 plus z equals to 180 degree. What is the value of x that we have got? 110 plus 40 plus z equals to 180. So these two adding, we have got 150 plus z equals to 180. So z equals to 180 minus 150, and finally the value of z is 30 degrees. So we have got z equals to 30 degree. So z equals to 30 degree we have got. Now moving on to the last portion. Here we have to apply a bit common sense, that we have a triangle over here in which this angle is 110, z that we have got 30. Now only one is left, that is y. So can we use angle sum property? Clear? So as per the angle sum property, we can write 30 plus 110 plus y equals to 180. Adding these two is 140 plus y 180. So y equals to 180 minus 140. So that will give y as 40 degree. So finally we have x equals to 110, z equals to 30 and y equals to 40 degree. Moving on to question number 8, in which two parallelograms are given. One is guns and second is runs. G-U-N-S, R-U-N-S. Okay. Now, in the first figure, they have given GS as 3x and the opposite side UN as 18. So this is the hint. Okay. Next, they have given 3y minus 1 equals to this side 26. Clear? Now we know that opposite sides are equal. So based on this, can we say that 3y minus 1 and 26 are equal and 3x and 18 are also equal? So let us one by one find that, starting with the first part. 3x equals to 18. Clear? So what is x? X is 18 divided by 3 and that is 6. So final answer is x equals to 6. Clear? Now moving on to the second portion, that is 3y minus 1 equals to 26. Take this minus 1 on the other side. It will be 3y equals to, sorry, it is 36, it is 26. Clear? So take this 1 on this side, it will become 26 plus 1. 3y equals to 27. So y equals to 27 divided by 3 and that is 9. So y equals to 9. So this is how, by using this property, we are able to solve the question. Moving on to the second part of this. Here we have been given a parallelogram and they have given diagonals. Clear? Now we have to recall the property that diagonals bisect each other. The property is diagonals bisect each other. What does that mean? Means they divide parts equally. Clear? This is the hint. That means here this part, the first one 20 and the other part y plus 7, that means they both will be equal. Clear? So can we write that y plus 7 equals to 20? So that will make y equals to 20 minus 7 and that will be 13. Clear? So we got the answer y equals to 13. Because in the second pair, that is x plus y and 16, we have to find out y to get the value of x. Thus, for the second part, we will write x plus y equals to 16. Put the value of y, that is 13, equals to 16. Take this 13 on the other side. It will be 16 minus 13. So value of x will be 3. So that is how you solve this question. I am writing over here IMP because this question is very important as for exam point of view. So that's it for today. We will start question number 9 and other sums in the next video. Till then, you write up to this very carefully, neatly and cleanly in your notebook. Thank you.